Once again.
What's happening? Today we're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna see what happens to a fucking chicken McNugget when you put fucking moronic or hydrochloric acid on the fucking chicken McNugget. So far, we tried the French fries. And you wanna know what happened to the French fries, you have to watch that video and I'm gonna tell you. Also, we did a fucking egg, which was fucking more extraordinary than the French fries. So watch that video too, because you'll be amazed at what happened to the egg, because I didn't see that one coming. That's very interesting. Right now, we're gonna fucking see how two McDonald's fucking chicken McNuggets hold up to fucking what happens when they put some fucking acid on the motherfuckers. So the first thing I want to say is, if you're gonna don't try this at home. But if you do fuck with acid, use some fucking rubber gloves so you don't burn your fucking fingers off and shit. The next thing I do is fucking get you a little container. Make sure this shit don't splash and dump it on top of your chicken McNuggets like that. Do not inhale the fucking fumes. And now, it seems like they're fucking steaming a little bit. Don't seem like nothing interesting happening so far. One thing I've noticed about McDonald's food, when it comes to putting McDonald's food on fucking acid, is that food is fucking resilient and shit. I think you could probably put those fucking McNuggets away for about 20 years and sell them as fossils on eBay, because they fucking shit don't seem like it lasts forever. I've seen videos where people put hamburger away for fucking 20 years. Fucking shit look just like you got it over the counter. How the fuck is that? You know what I mean? So we're gonna let these fucking chicken nuggets sit here. It doesn't look like they're gonna float. They don't fucking look like fucking nothing special happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this container and put it off to the side, and we'll let it sit here for a little while, and we'll come back and revisit these and see if it breaks them down or what happens. Alright, so it has now been 1 hour, and our Big Mac is starting to fucking get wide. It looks like the motherfucker's melting and shit. And I get a little view of it from the top side. And what it looks like from the top, how it's got kind of wide and shit. The motherfucker's getting festered up and nasty and shit. I guess they're molten from the inside out. Now, chicken McNuggets, on the other hand, they don't look like they like they even been affected. Fucking chicken McNuggets subhuman. Imagine if that shit don't fucking dissolve in fucking moronic hydrochloric acid in an hour, what that shit's doing in your fucking stomach. What are you gonna do? If it don't break down in your stomach, what are you gonna do? Shit a McNugget out of your ass? I don't understand it. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna take a wheelbarrow and I'm gonna turn it upside down on this, because it's getting dark, right? And we're going to revisit this 24 hours later and fucking see what has happened to the chicken McNugget and what has happened to the Big Mac 24 hours later. So we'll go ahead and put my neurotic acid right there and all my little nasty shit. And we're going to go ahead and put this wheelbarrow on top of this motherfucker. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't want my cat to come out here and try to eat the Big Mac and come out here tomorrow morning and bitch his tongue and his teeth and shit be gone. I'm sitting there with his jaw rotted, smoke coming out of his mouth and his nose and shit. So we're gonna be ecologically animal friendly and put this wheelbarrow on here. Tomorrow, 24 hours later, we will pull this wheelbarrow off and reveal what has happened in 24 hours of soaking in hydrochloric acid, moronic acid, with a chicken McNuggets and a fucking Big Mac. So, stay tuned. It'll be on the end of this video. We'll see what happens. Y'all have a good night for right now. What's happening? Now, you know it's been 24 hours ago, and we put these chicken McNuggets in there. And after 1 hour, it looked like the shit won't touch. So we were sitting there thinking maybe you might be shitting chicken nuggets because your stomach couldn't digest it. So 24 hours later, what I've noticed is the chicken McNuggets in this acid has turned the liquid into black liquid. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and just dump this shit out and see if it's all done turned to mush or if there's a solid nugget in there. And the chicken McNugget was completely fucking liquefied. There's no fucking chicken nugget. God damn. It ain't a nugget no more. It's chicken liquid. A chicken McLiquid. So if you like this and you want to see us dump some acid on something else, fucking leave it in the comments section, a suggestion, and I'll fucking see what I can do to fucking dump some acid on it and see what else we can mess up. So hit the subscribe button and let's see if we can get 1,000 likes out of this video, and share the video, and hit the notification button once you subscribe so that you can watch some more of our dumbass videos and shit where we burn shit, melt shit in acid, cook shit. I got another 300 videos and how-to videos and stuff like that you can check out on my channel, GetGo TV. That might be something that would help you make your life a little easier, save you some money. You got some good recipe videos and some cooking and shit, cooking with Bob, and some educational shit too as well. And this right here was that science experiment, melting a chicken McNugget in muriatic acid. So y'all have a good day now, and subscribe now. Have a good one.